Hey y'all, it's your girl Skyla here, and we back with another video. As always, we're starting off with the eyes, and that is my P. Louise Rumor Zero base. Hopping into the matte book by the Crayon case. I'm taking all of these shades and I'm just slap them on my eyes. Y'all know how it goes. I was looking for like a blue orangey look. Halloween is around the corner, so I wanted to do something along those lines. And that strip that I have on the corner of my eye is actually an elf strip, and it helps get that point nice and crisp. If you are not subscribed, now will be the best time for you to click that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you become part of the notification game. So right here, I'm cutting my crease with some more P. Louise Rumor Zero base, and that is a Morphe brush. I love using this brush to cut my crease because look at it, it's just bomb, effortless, period. I also need you to hit that like button and also share this video to your family, your friends, your cousins, your aunties, whoever you know that is into makeup. Share the video. Thank you. Here is J. LaRue Champagne Dust. Y'all seen this on my channel before. I like to put this over my shadows to give it some shimmer. J. LaRue Pigment Potion. I took my neon blue pigment and turned it into a liquid liner. This is very new to my channel. This is my first time using it. I had it for a while, but I really love this stuff. Love it. The face is beat to the gods. Now let's finish this eye. That is an NYX liner. Hopping back into the matte book, I'm taking the dark blue and the shade right above it, and I'm applying it to my lower lash line. Y'all know what time it is. It is the Fenty Beauty Mascara from Sephora. Time for the lashes, and I'm thinking about selling lashes because y'all girls sell nothing but 25mm lashes, and not everybody can wear those, but these are from the beauty supply store, girls. I just can't. Time for highlights, and that is my Holy Grail Juvia Face palette. Be sure to follow me on ShopBU. That is my business Instagram, because we're about to come out with a whole bunch of new stuff, and I'm part of Spooktober, period. Lips again, and if you made it this far, you might as well just hit that like button, because clearly you like what I'm doing and what I got going on. But the liner is the brown liner from Ruby Kiss, and y'all already know the vibes. This is Maybelline Vivid something. It's like a matte, soft matte lipstick, and I got it from Out a Lot Less, to be honest, and I mixed it, so period. Making sure everything is intact, taking off the do-rag. Y'all see it. Subscribe if you are new, and everyone like good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.